Amanda Haynes, your Orlando Realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Whether you're buying or selling, give me a call to get the best deal for your home. Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a Realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm in St. Cloud today. This home is $294,990. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. It has a 2-car garage, and it is a beautiful community. So let's go inside and have a look. This particular floor plan has 4 different elevations that you may choose from. You have 1,828 square feet of living space. This is your first bedroom. You have a full-size bathroom and then your second bedroom. This community has 96 homes. If you don't want to wait for your home to be built, there are a couple inventory homes available in St. Cloud. D.R Horton is a well-known builder. Depending on where you're looking to move, they have a lot of communities close by. So just let me know and I can get you that information. One of the standard features this home comes with is the granite countertops in the kitchen. You also have a nice big pantry to store all of your food. Your appliances include the refrigerator, your range, microwave, and dishwasher. Your dining room and living room give you lots of space for entertainment. And then of course you have your covered lanai. At the end of my video, you'll see the floor plan attached. And you'll notice all of the rooms are very spacious. The builder is paying up to $10,000 in closing costs, and when using their preferred lender, they have some really low interest rates going on right now for you to take advantage of. If I can help answer any of your questions or you'd like to schedule a tour, please give me a call. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes.